Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm kind of on the far end of the field right now looking for something to add to my channel or just kind of show you some vehicles that you might be interested in. I don't know what we're going to find. We're just kind of wandering along just to see and enjoy some of the damage, which is kind of cool to look at. And yes, they even have burned vehicles right there as well. Well, speaking of vehicles you might be interested in, let's go ahead and see what this one has to offer. Check her out, 2007 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Let me make the picture look a little better right here. We'll move this. Here you go. Now she looks pretty. Absolutely. I do. I like these cars. It's a different shape. I think it's kind of sexy. You got the big bulges, you got the big badunkadunk in the back, and I think they're cool. I like the previous version as well. In fact, that was my daughter's first car, the earlier version of the Mitsubishi Eclipse. She had a convertible and she loved it. This one was not loved. This one is dirty as can be. You have road hugger tires right here. This is all faded. Excuse me. The interior is dirty as can be. Look at this. You have the airbag that went off. Lost type is a collision. Where's the damage? I don't see, I see a scratch right there. What do you think about these Mitsubishi Eclipse? Here we go. So she kind of got sideswiped, or she hit something right through here. It's not huge. I mean, if you painted it, you might not even notice it. That seems to have a green tint on it, like it was painted, or they sprayed it when they sprayed somebody's lawn and painted it green. There's some damage right through there. And the bumper used to be red. Okay. Well, she's had a hard life, I can tell you right now. She also has a cracked windshield on the inside. She's been sitting out in the heat, so the dash is a little misshapen. See how this has kind of come up right here? You got, there you go. Okay. You get a nut right there on the inside. I think, see, look at this. It's nice. This is not nice. Unfortunately, there is no power because someone, once again, has come on and they leave these cars on. Why? Why? This car would be a good candidate, but it would take a little bit of work. And see how this is bent right through there? Yeah, that's kind of a game changer for me. I don't want to, that's a lot to deal with. You got some dead rodents or something right there. And there's a definite smell about this. So this is a 20-footer. She looks okay from 20 feet, but the closer you get, look at the seats. That's what you have to deal with. So I'm going to move on. Well, how about a very stock, very standard 2012 Ford F-150 where the paint protection has let up. Okay, so this is all cracked. Other than that though, if you like beige, bronze, beige, whatever color you want it to be, this is nice. It is. What do you think about the engine that came in said Ford F-150? Okay, well, now we may have some damage. Okay, see how this is broken here. This is broken down here. I don't want to touch this at all. A little dent right there. Lots of tread on the tires though. This paint, I think it's been painted. It's a nice interior. The tan, heck yeah. You got this wood right there. Maybe it has not, but just something, I don't know. Maybe they just painted this just to make them look nicer. There's everything that was in the truck. The inside is nice. It could use a cleaning. Not a super deep cleaning, but it doesn't have a horrible smell. I just want to see why this paint is kind of throwing up a flag to me. Because the other side seemed to have a little bit different. It was just different. I don't know. I think maybe not because it was in the sun. I think maybe that one side had been painted. I don't know. Some scratching through here. Nice wood. No side steps, so you got to hop up in here to get in to this. You get some chapstick. A nice little console right there. I'm not anticipating anything working because cars that have been here for a long time kind of end up on this side of the lot, and then they just sit here. This was a good car, a good truck rather, back in the day. Then they had those little problems. What is it, the 5.3? Sony sound system. This is from Texas. It's a Texas truck. The lost type is other, but the seat is comfortable. Oh my gosh. Do I need a Ford in my life? Should I look for something like this? I don't know. Well, here's what you have under the hood. It's the 3.5 liter V6. So I'm going to take back a lot of what I said. I don't know. But this has been... Is it supposed to be like that? I guess so. I don't know. It looks kind of clean under here. What's the mileage? They do not say. See, the mileage is listed right there. I can't read that. And there's no power, and I don't have power. So I don't think there's 200,000 miles on this, maybe 150, maybe. But let me know what you think about the V6, the EcoBoost V6 on an F-150 Ford Lariat. And it's just this side of the paint, just, there's a little, it's like a purplish hue to it, which tells me it's a Mako paint job. How do I know? Well, because I have a BMW that I had them paint, and it just has this, it's like, you know how people have auras? They say they have auras. Just if you look at the person or the car and you look outside of them, just an inch or so, it just has this hue. And to me, it's purple. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm still interested in the truck. I think this would be a great little thing to have, and I could tow with it. Absolutely. It is the V6 though. So let me know what you think about this, and would this be a good purchase? Depending on the price, it comes from Texas, and it does have good tires on it. They all have lots of tread. Hey, how about a 2023 Mazda 3 and a very cool color combination? Look at that, the outside. A blue-gray, almost flat. I like that. I really, really do. The inside, from what I can see, is going to be a cool color as well. Let me put my bag down right here and just kind of take a quick look inside. Yeah, look at that. You have the cinnamon with the dark blue-gray. That's gorgeous. And the matching stitching right there, which is super, super nice. Okay, we have power. I'm about to lose my camera / phone because I have very little power left there. Look at this. Okay. Very nice. I like the stitching. This is covered. There's a little give to it right there. Braking system malfunction, stop the vehicle. TPMS malfunction, had the vehicle inspected. Mileage 5,097 miles. So why are you here? I literally just saw this and I came running just because I thought the color, and I could kind of see the inside was this cinnamon color, which is gorgeous. There's a little tick into the engine. A lot of Mazdas have that though. Let's just kind of see what's going on. This is a good looking color. Look at the back seat. It's a little dusty. She is a little dusty, and there is some room back there. That seat looks to be very dirty on that side. But I like this. I like the black wheels, the blue-gray. Oh, well, Mike didn't see this. Sky Active G. Here's, oh no! This is bad. Look at this. It came right off the tire. That's barely hanging on. That something just kind of ate through here. This light is on. Wow. I don't think you can come back from this. This is a parts car. I'll see this at the LKQ or one of the other 4 or 5 different pull-apart yards we now have in the Tulsa area. because there's so much money in that. People are starting to see that and start their own salvage yards. This, yeah, she's a goner, but she was so pretty. Back in the day, heck yeah. From the front half, she's gorgeous. From the left side, she's beautiful. Not so in the back. Let's just take a look under the hood. See what you get in a Mazda in 2023. Why there's this little tick, 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 tick. Ugh. This is brand new. Maybe that's just the way they sound. I don't know. Let me know what you think about the Skyactiv G Mazda 3. These are a lot bigger than they used to be when they first came out. This is nice though. That is good looking. They're mean looking cars from the front, absolutely. And then you get back around here and it's just sad. That is so bad. I should have looked at that. Yeah, that's my problem. My bad. Okay, so the Mazda doesn't do it for us, but there are other vehicles that I am interested in. Once again, thanks to everybody out here in Tulsa, Oklahoma at the IAA auction facility. Super friendly staff, and corporate IAA is so responsive. If I send an email, boom, I get answers like that. Super, super, super friendly people. Come out here, you can save a ton of money and you can park something, well, not like this Mazda, but perhaps you're interested in a Honda minivan, okay? Or a Compass Jeep that needs work. I mean, there's so many choices out here. Yeah, and you can save some money. All right, that's gonna do it for this video, everybody. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Okay, everybody? Bye.